Hello guys, how's everyone doing today? Wonderful Thursday and welcome. Welcome to our online trading session. My name is Thomas and I will conduct the following session for you. So sit tight, get comfortable, grab yourself a cup of tea or coffee and get let's get to the markets. Let's trade, let's learn how everything operates here, how everything works here, and hopefully we can have a nice profitable trading session. But the markets are quite unpredictable and sometimes even time proven strategies they might fail us, but hoping for the best, wishing for the best. And guys, if you have any questions, kindly let me know of them. And also we have um, so our SMM team has a bunch of Telegram channels, our official Telegram channels, full of news, full of interesting ideas, information, uh, anything that can help you out with your trading in general. And so please follow this link and subscribe. You can select a trading channel in your native language so that it is comfortable for you and, well, easier to understand, of course. So it's not just limited to English, but we have Arabic, we have Thai, we have Indonesian, we have, well, what else? We should have a few more languages. I don't know all of them by heart, but I know that Spanish, I guess, and Portuguese. So kindly let me know. Vietnamese, I think, also. So, guys, once again, my name is Thomas. How is everyone doing? How are your profits? So, any interesting trading ideas recently? Uh, Waiting for Amazon split. That'll be an interesting one. Yeah. So, guys, in the meantime, let's get to our trading strategy. The trading strategy of today is going to be one of my favorite. Definitely belongs to top five. Okay, so Axel, but right now it's not yet in the proper way. So, guys, when you want to trade Axel, just go straight and pick the momentum indicator from the indicators list. All right. So don't select the trading strategy called Axel. Instead, select the momentum indicator because this way it is already colored in the proper colors like orange and blue, so that it's visible and it provides a nice like picture and it's just easier to understand. So what are we going to do here? Well, we are going trading. We are gonna be trading. So guys, I hope I'm audible. Yeah, I think we are, or I am audible and visible. So let's jump straight into trading. And so once again, let me start with duration and time frame. So with the duration of 1 minute, with the time frame of 1 minute, my preferred duration of trades equals to 3 minutes. So basically you need to multiply this time frame by 3. So 1 minute multiplied by 3 equals to 3 minutes. And for example, if I were to select 5 minute duration of time frame, then so 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15, and that will be my preferred duration of trades. Of course, there are many variabilities. You can pick something that suits you. You can adjust everything that I teach you or demonstrate. You can find something that fits you. So trading trading is all about evolution. It's all about adapting to the current market conditions. So yeah, feel free to adapt or just pick anything, yeah, how you want. All right, so let's select my first trade, and my first trade will be, oh guys, hold on. So, my dear friends, I apologize. I had a little technical issue. Now, this issue has been resolved, and I will be happy to continue my trading. So, where did I start? So, I was talking about the momentum indicator. And well, just hold on, let me switch to the. So we have this beta chart, and you can really test it out if you want to. So we are still working on it. And all right, so here is the momentum indicator. So the one that I need is called the momentum. And well, yeah, I kind of missed this trade. Okay, so let me go ahead and start with my first trade here. It'll be this, okay, so test trade. I think it's, yeah, well, just too late. All right. So I apologize for this. I sincerely apologize for these technical issues. Sometimes they just exist. So all right, so let us start with this one. So Asia Composite Index, I just opened the trade in the upwards direction. So why did I do that? So I did this because basically the blue line crossed the orange line in the upwards direction. So in this strategy, in the strategy called Axel, I usually distinguish between two setups. Okay, so first, setup number one. Setup number one is the most common one in this strategy, and you usually open trades when the blue line crosses the orange line. Not when the orange line crosses the blue line, but instead when the blue line crosses the orange line. Oh, should be 1 minute. Why is it 15 seconds? All right. Okay. Okay, not just confused. Well, anyways, yes, so like this. So basically the blue line crosses the orange line in the upwards direction, and that is a signal for an up trade. So this is called signal number one. So signal number one is when the blue line crosses the orange line, so in the upwards direction. Hence we have an up signal, and also we have this down signal when the blue line crosses the orange line in the downwards direction. Yeah, that was a wrong trade, but just happened. All right, so let me open this trade on Astro Index. So this index is not really available for all our traders. It is a regional index, mostly available in India, as far as I know, and yeah, yeah, it's only available in India. So guys, feel free to use this trading instrument, because in my opinion it's a good one. It really provides a great number of profitable trades, and also it is a very technical one. So I was a mistake on this one. I don't know whether it's going to close with a profit or with a loss, but anyways, not really a trade according to the strategy. So let us see what comes next. All right, let's try this one. So the Euro USD asset. And once again, we have this crossing that happened in the upwards direction. So the blue line here crossed the orange line in the upwards direction. And well, that's pretty much it. That's the signal. So, and this indicator itself, that is the base of this trading strategy, is called the momentum indicator, so that it really shows us the current momentum on the chart. So the upwards momentum or the downwards momentum. Yeah, and once again, one more trade here. So Europe Composite Index, a trade would be in the upwards direction. Mahajantar. Okay, so no signal here. And yeah, let's try Munch. So really, we have this crossing that happened just just recently. So yeah, that's a good one. So this one is a tricky one. So let's see. I have 20 seconds to go. Will I be lucky or not? So this crossing here, it indicated the upwards momentum, but I'm not sure. I'm just not sure whether we are going to have enough time for this trade to close with a profit. All right. Okay. So let's continue and continue scanning the assets that we have available for trading. All right. So yeah, let's open this trade here on AUD-CHF, so the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc. So this signal is in the downwards direction because right now the blue line is crossing the orange line. So it happens right now. All right, so Astro Index, no reversal. All right. And what about Euro USD? Well, the Euro USD trade, I think it's going to be fine. Oh, wow. Bitcoin is dropping again. Wow. Does anyone know what's going on with the cryptocurrencies? I mean, I don't really see any bad news, but I don't really see any positive news for these assets. All right. So let's open CAD. So the Canadian against the Swiss franc. All right. So nice. The Euro USD closes with a profit. Will be closing in 3 seconds. And Europe Composite Index. So not yet. All right, so let me see what about my trades, and then try it. So one, two, three, 4. All right, so Munch index. It's almost there, but not. So 3 seconds, and it was close to closing with a profit, but not yet, not just yet. All right, so what strategy is this? So this strategy is called Axel, and basically it consists just of one indicator. So this indicator is called the momentum indicator with the parameters of 14 and 9. So 14, the period of 14, and also 9 is the SMA period, the simple moving average period. And basically what we need to identify in this trading strategy, what we need to spot is, a moment like this, when the blue line crosses the orange line. So basically the momentum line crosses like this one, yes. The momentum crosses the this SMA line, the orange line. Okay, so I will not really go into detail about the lines of this indicator and the formula behind it. That's not really necessary. All you need to do is you need to know how to apply this indicator, how to apply this trading tool, and that's it. So no need to know all the details, nuances. So, so the Canadian is fighting for these 10 pips. So I'm 10 pips away from victory here. Right, so it seems that this webinar went off to a very rough start, but we'll see. It's not the end of the day, so we are going to see. So Asia Composite Index and wow, that was a quick entry here on the indices. All right, so let's try this one. So the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc, and we kind of have this. We are currently trading next to this mini level of resistance. So generally speaking, we are in this sideways movement, sideways like channel. But at the same time, I can see that um, we are accelerating on the up trade here. And yeah, we might go up. So a breakdown on Brent. So yeah, let's try Brent. Even though minimum duration time here is 5 minutes, equals to 5 minutes, but nevertheless, let's give it a try. And this trade here on Asia Composite Index will close with a profit. I'm pretty sure. So 10 seconds to go on that one. So, all right. So this is an interesting one, and I wanna give it a try. We had this on the previous candlestick. There was a signal for an up trade, and that is why I opened this trade in the upwards direction. A little bit counter trending, but the signal is there from the strategy. And here, yes, let's give it a try. So the euro against the pound. Does this strategy work on any asset? I would say yes. In general, it works on any asset because, well, all assets and all charts they follow the same principles of technical analysis. And in fact, I did this little research, and I mean, like throughout my trading history, my trading career, I noticed that yes, all these, well, I'll just say that pretty much all charts are like almost the same. I mean, there are not so many differences between like different charts. And uh, when you, for example, if you like say close this like the ticker like AUDCHF, and instead you will put like say the like Bitcoin chart, so you will not notice the difference. And yes, I would say almost all strategies work with on all time frames, but at the same time, some traders find their own favorite assets, and well, I would say like in general, everything works well on all assets and on all time frames. But of course, there are nuances here and there, and of course, I don't know all of them, all these nuances, because you need to be like a master of one asset or a few assets. Like, okay, I know this example. I have this my buddy, a buddy of mine, yeah, not a friend, but a person that I know, a trader, and back in I would say like something like 5 6 years ago, so around that time. He only traded so he was trading stocks on the American exchanges, so on the Nasdaq, and he only traded. He was a day trader, so he traded. He didn't really have many overnight positions. Most of his money or most of his trades were happening on just one stock. It was the Apple stock. And this guy, he knew everything. He knew it from A to Z. He knew like all the little nuances, all the little things about this asset, about this stock. So and this guy was profitable. And I mean, like, well, not just profitable, but he was making tons of money, like really. Also, he had this like midterm portfolio. Like of course he invested in other assets, but um, his favorite asset and probably his most profitable one, and where he basically made his capital was Apple. So Apple stock, this fruit company. All right. So unfortunately, that trade closed with a loss, but let us continue. So AUDJPY, I think we're about to observe a signal. and gold. All right, so let's, yeah, so gold is signal in the upwards direction. All right, let's try Mahajantar index. Let's give it a try. The signal was there, so it is a legitimate trade. GBP GPY, so the pound against the yen, still 25 seconds to go. We will see how it closes. All right, basic dollar index. Yes, I think the signal might come any second. Green, red, white, green, red, white. So what the closing will be? Oh, so on the last second, it closes with a loss. It's very sad, but that's how trading is. So especially short-term trades. Well, I'm pretty safe for gold. I think this trade will definitely close with a profit. Now it's already so much in the profits. All right, so Euro GBP. Yeah, let's try. Let's give it a try. I like this this crossing. So we we kind of went up. So for the last 20 minutes, we've been going up, and now we might have this reversal. So yeah, I really like it. So yeah, gold is doing fine. Mahajantar, very volatile. And the Euro GPY, yeah, let's give it a try. So the Euro GPY, this blue asset, so the blue line, sorry, crossing the orange line in the downwards direction. So that's the signal. And well, 12 seconds to go. And let's try CHFGPY. So, so really had this losing streak here, mainly on the indices. So I would say like, well, even though this one is a profitable one. So, yeah, I would say it's mixed. So the results, the trading results so far have been mixed. Unfortunately, it does happen sometimes. That's what I said in the very beginning of this webinar, that sometimes you just yeah. So the signal here on the euro against the Australian dollar, and sometimes it's just yeah, that's how markets are. You just pretty much do something that you did before, and that would bring you profits, and now it's just not. It's giving you losses. So well, still I consider this strategy among the top 5 profitable and interesting strategies. So it's not just interesting, it's also profitable. It gives you a pretty good number of profitable trades. It's just sometimes, yes, just sometimes some things are not working as they're meant to. Like these charts just going up on the very last few seconds, and yep, like this one. So the Euro GPY. All right, guys, what I'm going to do now is I want to wait until the end of these trades, and then I will see. I will probably open how I do how I usually do it. I will open a few trades at the very beginning of this webinar, maybe 3-4 trades, and then that'll be the decisive my decisive move, and then we'll see the result. All right, so this one closes the profit. So let's see this mid-hour volatility is very strong. So because we have real strong moves up and down, just extremely volatile moves. And when I switch to 15 seconds, so 10 seconds to go. CHF JPY. So the Swiss franc against the yen. The franc against the yen. And nice. Wow. Wow. Nice. This trade closed with a profit. And yeah, the Euro AUD. So let's see the Euro against the Australian dollar. Nice. Closes. So this trade closes with a profit. All right, so not bad. 3 last trades closed with a profit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open a few more trades. Hopefully I find enough of the signals. So yeah, let's try this one. USD JPY. What about Astro Index? So probably Astro Index. Wow, Amazon going down. Basic altcoin index. Yes, let's give it a try. Basic dollar index. So what about our cryptos? So Bitcoin. No signal. The signal, it's a little bit too late, but let's give it a try here. So this the Swiss franc against the yen once again. DAX. So yeah, let's open DAX, and yeah, I just want to open maybe one last trade because I have 5 trades. I've just opened 5 trades already, so maybe the 6th one. Natural gas is close to $9 again. Wow, it's a lot. All right. Well, anyways, guys, I don't see any any more interesting signals. So let's focus on my current trades. So I've got 5 of them, and let's see how they close. So I switch to 15-second candlesticks. All right, so the USD JPY is doing fine. What about this one? You know what? I don't want to close this trade. I think that I still have pretty nice chances of winning here, even though despite this real strong reversal. So it's very bad. All right, nice. So USD JPY closes with a profit. All right, guys. I think that today indices showed worse performance than my trades on uh, the currency pairs. All right. So, hmm. All right. Let's see. DAX. So far, I have out of these 5 trades, 1 winning trade, 1 losing trade, 2 losing trades. So DAX. So DAX should close with a profit. Well, it's been an intense trading session. I opened 26 trades within. So DAX closes with a profit. Well, it's been a rough trading session, I would say, a very interesting one, though. So, what is the result? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, yeah, 10. So, yeah, I have 10 winning trades and probably 13 losing trades. Well, not my best performance, especially with this trading strategy, but the market was. So the market was as it was, and unfortunately, sometimes you have to just accept the fact that the markets just don't behave the way you would want them to. So, my dear friends, well, thank you very much for joining this webinar, and I hope you liked my trading in general. And the well, this strategy definitely deserves your attention. So, feel free to use this strategy in your daily trades. And well, I wish you good luck in trading, and I hope to see you soon, guys. So, thank you very much, and my name is Thomas. I'll see you next week. Have wonderful profits and love trading and live trading.